morning all. I would like to thank Dr. Kishore here for setting the right stage for my session. Right? He has given a complete overview of what digital transformation is and how it can help an organization. I would like to take a leaf out of his book and start the session here. He was talking about how the new generation people will face difficulties when there is no technology. Sir, we have seen the movie Lucky Bhaskar for that. So we know what people can do when technology can be delayed and it is risky. In today's world, when we are going to be delayed, right, we are going to face a lot of challenges. So we are here happy to present with you the solution that can help you in your business. What we understand from the data is that 82% of CFOs feel that they are the ones who are responsible for the transformation initiatives. When we say transformation is across organization. Like how we had Dr. Kishore talk about CFOs questioning everyone, they have the right to do so. They feel completely responsible in this. And digital transformation is no exception. They are the ones who should be leading this change. What we understand from the digital transformation world is that the global competition is forcing a lot of customers to adapt. The change, the statutory regulatory changes, these are most external factors that contribute towards you to change. You have no options but to change. So what can help you in this changing world? You need to be digitally ready. And how can that happen? It can happen with adaptation. The starting point for most organizations would be to begin with an ERP that also has an AI flavor to it. So ladies and gentlemen, I am here happy to introduce about a product called as Oracle NetSuite. Oracle NetSuite has over 25 years of experience in being the first cloud ERP software. Right? This software has been built over a period of time which actually is growing and is addressing a lot of areas. What Oracle can do or what Oracle NetSuite has done is that it is having localizations for a lot of countries across the globe. So which means that your compliance, if you're a multinational organization, you don't have to be anymore dependent on just having one software for one region. You can have one single system that can help you take care of compliance across regions, across geographies, across different regulatory compliances as well. Apart from these, tax regulations is a major pain for all of us, right? So if a system can help you take care of those areas, bank payments, fraud happenings in those areas, if they can all be controlled and they can be regulated, becomes much easier for you in your day-to-day activities. So what NetSuite can do for us is also help you in your entire business, right? It starts where you can start acquiring your customers, you can grow them. It also helps you in managing your operations. It also helps you in managing your HR. So it's kind of a one solution that can fit all of your areas as well. And being a cloud plus platform, cloud plus solution, NetSuite can scale with your business. You don't have to invest all your resources on going into this solution. You can scale up as your business grows as well. You can start small and the system will grow with you, right? Apart from these, it gives you complete visibility, it gives you complete agility, it helps you in terms of collaborative work. As an organization, today one of the challenges that we have seen is distributed businesses are growing. What I mean by distributed businesses is not, today organizations don't want to concentrate themselves into one geographical location. Even in India, a lot of organizations wants to have small pocket offices or small manufacturing centers or delivery centers across different regions. There are various business reasons for that. And if you can have a system that can give you complete visibility across, then you should not be having any challenge, which is what NetSuite helps us to do. And also, NetSuite comes in with a model called as Suite Success, which allows us to have the solution pre-built from day one. You can start getting benefits on the system. This system, unlike the earlier days when companies had to invest 3 years, 4 years in doing a digital transformation journey, we can start in as small as 45 days. We can start from there with small area of your operation, take that and help you improve that. You will be able to start seeing your results on your own. From there, you start, and there are again industry-specific solutions that are built on the solution. So what happens is, let's say you're a manufacturing company, there are a set of KPIs that you will require as an organization, which NetSuite has built onto the product by default. Or let's say you are in services business, then there are certain KPIs that you would like to monitor in your business. So these are available by default in the system from day one. And on top of these, the system also is flexible enough and it allows you to change or define your own KPIs. One of the other plus points of NetSuite as a product is that it has a no-code customization platform, which means that you don't need a lot of technology skill set people in your organization to run this software. You don't need any infrastructure. Being a cloud-based software, all you need is internet connection or even mobile phones to work with, right? And the no-code customization part allows you to build workflows on your own. You can customize forms. You can do business-specific requirements within the product framework. And the best part is that all of these can be done at your will. You don't need to depend even on an implementation partner after the project is live. The platform, NetSuite is not just an ERP, it is like a platform which also helps you to build industry-specific requirements that you may have, and you can also sell it to the other peers in the industry as well. That is another thing that NetSuite allows you to optimize and monetize as well. On top of that, NetSuite comes with open APIs. So today we have been able to integrate NetSuite with a lot of other portals, with banks, right? Any other software. Let's say so there are some customers who come in and say, hey, we have a global company, we are part of a global company and they have a different software and we would like to have NetSuite for our business. Is that possible? Answer is yes. We can integrate both of these software as well. Not only that, we can integrate your shop floor to top floor, wherein if you have IoT devices, where BONbLOC also does those services, we have IoT devices that can help you get data from the real time and take it to the software as well. That is also possible. Not only the other advantage that NetSuite also offers you is that it is the product gets upgraded without your knowledge. What we mean by that is that in earlier days when we have an on-premise ERP solution, we had to go through a big project for an upgrade cycle to happen. We needed to have a team, we need to have a service provider who would come and do a hardware upgrade, then a software upgrade, and then a testing process. All of that was a long run. In NetSuite, product comes with 2 major upgrades every year, and it happens seamlessly. When I first started my journey with NetSuite 8 years back, I was also worried about what is going to happen because I come from the traditional on-premise software model. So I've seen different ERP solutions. So when this product came in and said, hey, we can do this as a magic, I was shocked. And when the magic happened, it was real magic. So I've lived through this, and I'm confident that this is one key feature that I can talk to all my customers about. After Oracle had acquired NetSuite in 2016, the entire infrastructure of NetSuite had moved into the Oracle infrastructure. So that gives customers a lot of credibility from being backed by the right technology partner. It takes care of your data centers, it takes care of your AI services. Oracle is also building the analytics warehouse, which NetSuite has as well. And there are a lot of AI services. We have the bill capture, we have analytics warehouse, supply chain control tower. These are some things that helps you in your business in a straight way, right? Oracle also has something called as a planning and budgeting and account reconciliation services, which helps you in terms of having the AI-enabled capabilities that helps you in your business. I would like to call upon Sauri on stage, who would talk about some of these areas of what a CFO of 2035 can do.